Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're reviewing this 1967 Lincoln Continental Sedan. You may see or look like it's white, but it is actually diamond green. It has a slight green tint to the vehicle. It does have the 462. We'll get the hood open here. Gotta go around the other side. The original 462 V8. Again, it does run very well. Starts right up. We'll do a cold start in a second here. You can see everything is cold. We'll get ahead and do a cold start in a minute. But I want to show you the vehicle. Again, the paint is in good shape. No dings or dents or rock chips in the paint. It looks very good. As you can see, whitewall tires. There is a little nick right there in the paint. Again, AC blows cold. There's been a lot of maintenance recently done on this vehicle. The air conditioning system was just redone, converted to R134, rebuilt power steering pump. The ball joints were just done. We'll show you when we get underneath. Rear shocks, alternator, exhaust manifolds were redone. And then when we get underneath, you'll be able to see new brake shoes, rear wheel cylinders, power steering pump was just replaced, and freeze plugs. And the maintenance goes on and on. See our website for additional information, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Or if you have any other questions, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. But again, a list of maintenance items that were recently performed on the vehicle. You'll see on the website. It does have the suicide doors. Interior is very clean as well. Sorry, it is kind of dark. We'll get the doors open and see the black vinyl top. Let's go ahead and do the cold start for everybody here. See the suicide doors. Again, very clean vehicle. Sorry, it is pretty dark. We'll take pictures outside so you'll be able to see the interior better. There you go, get some light in there. Again, very clean car. You can see power windows, power seat, everything does work. AC, AM, FM radio. We'll get in and do a cold start as I mentioned. Grab the keys here. We'll go ahead and get it started. Here, starts right up. Probably can't hear it, but AC's blowing cold. Turn it on high. Windows work. Back window as well. Both sides. Again, everything works on the vehicle. Odometer says 28,700 miles. Owner says that is original. The title is exempted Florida, so no way of confirming, but it is a 3-owner vehicle. So low mileage car, very clean. You can hear the engine, no knocks, no ticking. Sounds as it should. We'll get this up on the lift shortly as well. For the exhaust, no smoke coming out. Again, runs very well. Let's take another tour around and then we'll go up in the air with it. Again, check this 1967 Lincoln Continental out on our website, and or feel free to give us a call. As I mentioned, several things of maintenance just recently done. Get it shut off here. Get it up in the air for everybody to see. There we go. Apologize for the picture while we raise this. Again, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com or give us a call 941-355-1955. For those who may need financing, we do offer financing as well. And if you need shipping, Kayla, our office manager, ships worldwide and obviously anywhere in the country. Does a great job, ships probably 6 to 8 vehicles, if not more, a month. And again, can ship all over the world, door to door. So please give us a call and we can ship. You can see the vehicle's got the original 67 plate from North Carolina. Get the lights on and take a quick look underneath. Again, car is in good shape. The underneath is solid. You see the frame, there is some surface rust, but the frame is in good shape. The floor pans are solid. New exhaust, relatively new, or I should say the exhaust system has been replaced, and it is certainly newer. And again, you can see it's been maintained, well greased. Bushings are new. As I mentioned, the exhaust. Car is in good shape underneath. Some surface rust, but very solid. Good driver. The paint, you can see again a little bit better while it's up on the lift. Diamond green, as they call it. Again, just that one chip on the front fender I showed you earlier. Other than that, the paint is in great shape for the 67 Lincoln Continental. The suicide doors, great touch. Power, and again, a whole list of maintenance recently done. If you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website for this Lincoln Continental. Thank you.